It just barely misses that chain, but that keeps deflects a lot of the, it still gets you pretty dust, a lot of sawdust, but that deflects the sawdust, most of the sawdust over there. And this is one of the dogs, and I added this. I added this onto mine. The originals didn't have it. They were like this. This is my own. I built my own because after many moons of sawing, this wears out in here. Wears out, and it just, see. So you put that bolt on there, tighten it up, and then when you hit the log, it torques it so it doesn't fall to the ground. But you can adjust that bolt then and keep it tight. Those, what are those? That's 2 pieces of angle iron. Looks like 2 inch by 2 inch. So you cut that one and weld it on. You can see my gobby welds there. And then that one there is on there. And then I added this chunk so that wouldn't look like that normally. This is 10 inches with a piece of flat metal. It's 2 inches also. Well, 2 1/4, 2 1/8, 2 1/4. It's wore down. And by 1 1/4 inch. And you just sharpen one side like that. And these are just they're cement nails. Drill some holes through and weld the back side of them on. And you just put the cement nails in there. That's to hold the log. Self-explanatory. All right, now you need 3 of them. You need 3 for sure. The first two cuts, basically, you just need one right there and one wherever you're going to be, your length of your log down there. But when you start getting into your 3rd and 4th cuts, you're gonna need one right there too, because it'll start to bend on you sometimes, not all the time, but once in a while the log will start to spring and you got to lock it so it can't do that. Now these things, I don't know what you're gonna do, but these are 10 3/4 inches long. They're all the same. And these, the first one here is slightly different. You can see where I made some mistakes there and hit the darn bar. So the first one is, let's see, is that exactly the same? Yep, 7/8 of an inch. 7/8 of an inch. The second one, and all the rest of them, are 1/2 an inch. And that hole, let's see if we can figure this out here. That hole is 3/8 of an inch. They gotta be cut square. The originals were done with a laser cutter, but I didn't have access to them, to a laser cutter. So you make this thing, it's got to have the first ones, you see they're longer. You got to have them the